Hello, welcome to this course, SoC Design 3, Systemverilog Constructs for RTL Coding. This course is offered by Systemverilog Academy. It is an online platform to learn Systemverilog hardware description language for both design and verification coding. Visit us at systemverilogacademy.com for in-depth Systemverilog training in all levels of expertness, beginner, intermediate or advanced. This is a short, intermediate-level course in Systemverilog HDL. It covers only few selected specific topics in it. Those are widely used in RTL coding. The objective of this course is to teach different Systemverilog-specific constructs for design coding, and learn how Systemverilog is useful in RTL design compared to Verilog HDL. Although it is designed for learning SoC design coding rather than verification, verification engineers are also encouraged to enroll this, as all of these features are widely used in testbench coding as well. If you are an expert, or someone who is already able to write RTL design coding in Systemverilog with all its features, this course is not for you. Also, if you are beginner to Verilog or Systemverilog, this course will not teach the basics of programming for those HDLs. To make this course effective for you, you must have the basic knowledge of either Verilog or Systemverilog HDL. You should be able to write simple design and test bench programs in Verilog or Systemverilog, and simulate. If you are not familiar with these, you are encouraged to enroll our basic level course titled Systemverilog Beginner. Write your first design and test bench modules. Also, before taking this course, it is nice to have knowledge about different types of assignment statements and their usage in Systemverilog. If you are not comfortable in it, you may enroll our RTL design course titled SoC Design 2, Systemverilog Assignment Statements and Synthesis. Course contents. In the first session, you will learn about different constants available in Systemverilog. It teaches the keywords const, parameter, and local param. Next you will learn how to declare and instantiate parameterized modules using the parameter keyword. Third session teaches about functions and tasks. Also here you will learn about passing arguments by value or by reference, into functions and tasks. Fourth session teaches about enumeration, type definitions and structures in detail. In the fifth session, you will see specific examples of using structure, typedef, and enumeration. Also you will understand when you shall use these constructs in your RTL code. Sixth session teaches about interfaces in Systemverilog. It is a useful construct in RTL as well as testbench coding. This session will teach you interface usage with examples, along with modports and clocking blocks. The last session teaches about the usage of generate statement in RTL design. You will be introduced to scenarios where you need to use a generate block in the design. You will learn about loop generate and conditional generate constructs and the hierarchy produced by their usage. Thank you for enrolling this course. From next session onwards, you will go through technical contents specific to this course.